Former Silchar MP and MLA visits Haflong on Ochom Basau Ahok Yatra. As a part of Ochom Basau Ahok Yatra, Srimati Shushmita Deb, ex-MP and President AIMC, and Sri Ajit Singh, ex-MLA, visited Haflong on Thursday. Arriving at Haflong, Srimati Deb, Mr. Singh, along with Dima Hasao DCC President Nirmal Langthasa and others, offered floral tribute to the statue of freedom fighter Veer Samudan Phonglo. This was followed by holding a discussion with students of Haflong Government College and with public and auto drivers. Talking to the media, Srimati Deb said it was not a political rally but to meet people and to know what people expect from the next government. She said it was a very good interaction with the students of HCG who are facing problems due to non-completion college building during last 7 years and there was shortage of teachers. She assured if the Congress comes into power, these problems would be solved.
পুরো আসামে একটা আসাম বাঁচাও যাত্রা করছি and the idea behind it is not a political rally or a mass rally but to meet the people of Assam to see what is it they expect from the next government, whether it is students, whether it is traders, whether it is women, whether it is businessmen. So we started in Barak Valley on 17th. We spent almost 7 days in Barak Valley. Now we are going to cover the hill districts. So we will go all over Haflong and after that we will go to Karbi Anglong. So we have met students of the government college today. For 7 years their building is not complete, they are saying. They don't have enough teachers. So we are confident our government will come and even if we can't put their particular issue in the manifesto, we will make sure that our government solves this. Secondly, maximum children and students are saying there are no jobs in Dima Hasao. There are no jobs. They don't know what to do. And one young boy says that tribal families are big families. But BJP government has passed a rule of 2 children. Otherwise you can't get a government job. So they are even opposing that, tribal people. So we will take this to the Assam Pradesh Congress and when our government is formed, we will come back here to meet them to solve their problem.
She also said people are annoyed with the BJP rule government but prefer to remain silent, but they would give befitting replies during the election. Answering the questions of media person, she further claimed as per internal survey, the Grand Alliances would get 101 seats in the Assam Assembly election.
Internal survey দেখাচ্ছে যে মহাজোটে আমাদের 101টা সিট হবে and আমরা এটা কনফিডেন্ট কারণ মানুষ সাইলেন্ট আছে কারণ বিজেপি কি করে বিজেপির বিরোধিতা করলে ওরা মানুষকে এফআইআর করে দেয় বিজেপির বিরোধিতা করলে ওরা অরুণোদয় স্কিম কেটে দেয় সো পিপল আর সাইলেন্ট কিন্তু যেদিন ভোটের দিন আসবে এই সাইলেন্ট ভোটটা কংগ্রেসের পক্ষে যাবে মহাজোটের পক্ষে যাবে অ্যান্ড দ্যাট ইজ আ ফ্যাক্ট কারণ আমাদের সার্ভেটাও আমরা সাইলেন্টলি করেছি অ্যান্ড পিপল আর ওয়েটিং টু ভোট দিস গভর্নমেন্ট আউট
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কি